Ramogi Jwanga kwado ke mago mag somo jochung' kod jotend kuonde tiegruok gi mbalariany ma pacho ka ng'ur ewi mano ma giwacho ne ng'ikruok e chenro mag kuonde tiegruok bang' leo mar omenda michiwo gi piny owacho. Gikowo migawo mar somo mondo mi opar diriyo ewi yore manyien mag chiwo omenda ne skunde kod kuonde tiegruok gino makoro giwacho ni kide kelo ng'ikruok e chenro mag somo e pacho ka.
I think the issue of funding is really very confusing. Right now, the universities are really suffering because the government released, when they released the money, did not release enough. I think they need to redo the model again.
Students have been sent to colleges and universities, and they don't know their fate. So they should come clearly to know whether they are going to pay and how much they are going to pay, and so on, so that parents should know exactly how it is. Because outside there, parents are confused.
Those parents who are willing to pay the university should pay 100%. Because if parents are paying a lot of money for academies, what can they pay for in the university? So they are still playing politics and saying that